So in today's lecture of complex analysis, I am going to teach you all harmonic function and how to find harmonic conjugate. Okay, so let us see harmonic function and how to find harmonic conjugate. So now basically this we know that this is a function. This is a function, and we know that f of z is equal to u plus iv. Okay, so if u is equal to x square minus y square, find v. Okay, so basically here what happens over here is u is the real part of analytic function fz, and v is called harmonic conjugate of u. Okay, v is called harmonic conjugate of u. So now we need to, if we need to solve this, to solve this we have some conditions. For that we are going to use Cauchy-Riemann equation. Will take part in this. Okay, so first, if u is equal to x square minus y square, find v. So dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Okay, take this as equation 1. This I have taken from Cauchy-Riemann equation from the previous class. Okay, now dou u upon dou y is equal to minus dou v upon dou x. Okay, take this as equation 2. Now what I have to do is I have to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so differentiate 1 with respect to x. Okay, this I have to differentiate with respect to x. So what I am going to get is dou square u upon dou x square is equal to dou square v upon dou x into dou y. Okay, I have differentiated both the side by x. Okay, and take this as a. Now differentiate 2 with respect to y. Okay, I have to differentiate this 2 with respect to y. So if I differentiate 2 with respect to y, I am going to get dou square u upon dou y square is equal to minus dou square v upon dou x dou y. Okay, so what you all have to do over here is you all have to add this a and b. If you all add this a and b, you all are going to get this dou square u upon dou x square plus dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0. Now dou square u upon dou x square, this plus this dou square u upon dou y square, and this if you all add, you all will get 0, right? Because this minus is there, so it will be 0. Next, this is also called as Laplace equation. Okay, and condition to solve the harmonic function. So condition for the harmonic function. So let us solve this first problem which I gave you all, that is if u is equal to, okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, so if u is equal to x square minus y square, find v. Okay, so in this problem we have to find the value of v. So dou u by dou x, differentiate u with respect to x and see what you all are going to get. So basically I will get 2x. Okay, now again differentiate this with respect to x, you all are going to get 2. Now differentiate u with respect to y, this I have to differentiate with respect to y, so I will get minus 2y. Again differentiate with respect to y, I will get minus 2. Okay, then so what you'll have to do over here is add this and this. Okay, so dou square u upon dou x square plus dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0. So we are getting what we are getting is 0 over here. So u is the harmonic function. So here u is the harmonic function. This satisfies equation. This is a real part of analytic function fz. Okay, now what we have to do is, so this equation I have told you all what it is. Now we have to find the value of v. Okay, v is the what? Harmonic conjugate of u, that we need to find out. So dv is equal to dou v upon dou x dx plus dou v upon dou y dv. Okay, this is how we find the value of v. Okay, so how we got dou v upon dou x is nothing but what? Dou v upon dou x is nothing but minus dou u upon dou y, okay? So it will be minus over here. Dou u by dou y, that minus you have to plug. So dx plus dou v upon dou y is what? Dou v upon dou y is nothing but dou u upon dou x, okay? So dou u upon dou x dy. This is from the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Okay, this part. So next I'll turn the page. This I have already told you all just now. So now what you'll have to do is dv is equal to 2y dx. Okay. So what is minus dou u upon dou y dx? Dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y, what you'll have got? Dou u by dou y minus 2y. So minus and minus, it will be plus. So you will get positive 2y dx. Okay. Plus now what is dou u upon dou x? The value of this dou u upon dou x is nothing but positive 2x. So plus 2x dx. Okay. Now what you'll have to do is take this 2 common. Okay. dv is equal to take this 2 common, then y dx plus x dy. Okay. Now derivate, so integrate on both the side. Okay. 2, this is the derivative. What is the derivative of this? D of xy, differentiate with respect to x, you will get y dx, differentiate with respect to y, you will get x dy. Okay. So plus c, so you will have to bring this term in this form. Okay. V, then after on integrating this, what we are going to get? V is equal to 2xy plus c. Okay. So this is the end of the first problem. Now again I will give you all one more problem. Okay. That is, prove that, I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay. So prove that the following function satisfies Laplace equation and find its harmonic conjugate. So here what we have to do is we have to prove that the following function satisfies Laplace equation and we have to find harmonic conjugate. Okay. So v of x comma y is equal to 3x square y minus y cube is given to you all. Now in this what we need to find? Here we need to find the value of u. V is given, we have to find u. Okay, the previous problem was about u was given, we have to find u. Okay, now this is v. Okay, v is given, we need to find the value of u. Okay, so differentiate this v with respect to x, you will get 3 to the 6 xy. Okay, differentiate with respect to x again, so you will get only 6y. Now differentiate this with respect to y, I will get 3x square minus 3y square. Okay, again differentiate with respect to y, you will get minus 6y. Now what you will have to do is add this. Okay, sorry, this and this you all have to add. So dou square v upon dou x square plus dou square v upon dou y square. Now this minus is there, so it is 0. So with this we come to know that it satisfies the following function. So the following function satisfies the Laplace equation. Okay, with over here. So here v is a harmonic function and it satisfies the Laplace equation. This is the real part of analysis function f z. Okay, now we have to find the value of u. Okay, what we have to find? The value of u we need to find. Okay, so and here u is the here u is the harmonic conjugate of v. So let us find the u. Okay, so du is equal to, how to find u? Dou u by dou x plus dx plus dou u by dou y dy. Okay, now du by dx it is. Okay, so it is d. Okay, so is equal to, now see the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Dou u by dou x is nothing but dou v upon dou y dx minus what is this? Dou v upon dou x dy. Okay, so du is equal to what is given? Dou v upon dou y, what we got? Dou v upon dou y, 3x square. Now plug this value over here. Okay, 3x square minus 3y square dx, then comes minus over here. What is dv by dx over here? dv by dx is nothing but 6xy. Okay, so plug that value. So 6xy, plug the value. dy, write it as it is. Then this is equal to 3x square dx, write it down, minus, take the 3 common from here and from here. Okay, so I have taken 3 common from here, this and this. Okay, so y square dx plus, okay, minus is there. So if you remove it from the bracket, you will get again 3 2s are 6xy minus, right? So dy, so it is plus 2xy dy. Okay, now what you'll have to do is you'll have to integrate this part. Okay, so we need to integrate this part. This, so integrate du is equal to, integrate, take this constant outside, then integrate this x square dx minus 3, then integrate this y square. What is this y square dx plus 2x y dy? Bring it in this form. If you differentiate with respect to x, you all are going to get y square. If you differentiate with respect to y, I am going to get 2xy. Okay, dy. Okay, so d of xy square dy. So now u is equal to, now on integrating this we get u is equal to 3x square, 3x cube upon 3 it is. So 3, write it as it is. So what is x square, integration of x square, x cube upon 3. So here what is going to happen, this 3 term will get cancelled. Okay, then minus 3xy square plus c will remain over here. So now write down u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus c. Okay, so with this we are done with the second equation. Okay, so finally we have found the harmonic conjugate. We have found out the value of u. Okay, now let us take one more problem. Okay, now u is given, we need to find out the v. Okay, first we have to see whether the given function satisfies the Laplace equation. Okay, so u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so dou u upon dou x is equal to, I will get 3x square minus 3y square over here plus 2 3s are 6x plus 2. Okay, so this I have differentiated with respect to x. Now again I have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, this term, so I will get tau square. So again differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so what you are going to get if you are differentiate it again with respect to x, 2 3s are 6x plus 6 will remain. Okay, so now what you'll have to do over here is, now differentiate this u with respect to y and see what you are going to get. Minus 6xy over here, minus 6xy minus 6y over here. Okay, so now what you will have to do, again differentiate this with respect to y. See what you are going to get, minus 6x minus 6. Okay, then this and this you all have to add. Okay, and see what you are going to get. So dou square u upon dou x square plus dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0. So basically what I can say that u is the harmonic function. This satisfies Laplace equation. This is a real part of analysis function f z. Okay, now what we need to find, we need to find the, now we have to find the value of v. V is what, harmonic conjugate of u. Okay, and we need to find out what it is. Okay, so dv is equal to, now this is the given equation, like dv is equal to dou v upon dou x dx plus dou v upon dou y dy. Okay, now we need to find the value of what, v. So now what is given, dv upon dx by Cauchy-Riemann, what it is. So I have substituted the value over here. Okay, in this we have to substitute, right? So I have done that. Okay, over here. So dv is equal to minus dou u upon dou y dx plus, let me zoom it. Cauchy-Riemann, I have substituted the values, right? dv is equal to minus dou u upon dou y dx plus dou u upon dou x dy, okay? Now what is minus dou u upon dou y? What is dou u upon dou y? Minus 6xy minus 6y. Plug this value over here. Okay, because of the sign it got cancelled, this minus and minus thing got cancelled. Then write dx as it is plus what all have got. Now what is this? Dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is here. Plug that value over here. 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x plus 2 dy. Okay. Then dv is equal to, now wait, this part is not over here. Now what is this basically? We need to find the derivative of this. So 3x square y. Okay. And that we have got it from here. And 3x square from here, okay? This and this, okay? Okay, so now let me explain you all about this. So I have taken first is 6xy and 6xy dx along with dx plus 3x square along with dy, okay? Now derivative is what? 3x square, d of 3x square y, okay? So integrate, when I am integrating this, I will integrate this. dv is equal to d of what it is? 3x square, right? What it is? 3x square y. So this I have taken, see the blue part, 6xy and this 3x square over here. What it is? d of 3x square y. So I have plugged the value over here, okay? Next is plus, now look at this, 6x, 6 common, then integrate y dx and x dy plus x dy, okay? Next what I have done is the remaining part is over here, okay? That is this and this I have told you all about it, okay? So let me rub it. So what it was, this and this, right? So okay, minus 3 integrate y square dy plus this 2 integrate this dy plus c, okay? So this part is clear to you all. Then what I have done over here, okay, now just look at here, v is equal to, after integrating this, what you are going to get? V is equal to 3x square y plus, okay, so 3x square y plus 6, what was this? d of x by derivative of this, okay, minus y cube, okay, because 3 will get cancelled, right? It will be y cube upon 3. So and here also 3 is there, so 3 will get cancelled. So what will remain is minus y cube, right, plus 2y plus c. Now v is equal to what? 3x square y plus 6xy minus y cube plus 2y plus c, okay? This is the final answer for the second problem. Now for the exam purpose, if they ask you all this as MCQ type, so how you all are going to find? So there is a small trick to find out this. So you all know about the Cauchy-Riemann, right? Cauchy-Riemann. So what you'll have to do is tau u, what it was? Okay, so let me give you all, this is 6x is equal to what it is. So this is by Cauchy-Riemann, okay? This is by Cauchy-Riemann. So dou u upon dou x. So what you'll have to do, this is given for analytic function f z is equal to u plus iv. If u is equal to 3x square minus 3y square, then we have to find the value of v, right? So u is equal to what is given. Now differentiate this with respect to x and see what you are going to get. I am going to get 3 2s are 6x, so I am going to get 6x, right? So plug the value over here is equal to, now differentiate dv by with respect to y and c, you all should get 6x again. So in this you all can see So you all have to get how to figure it out with this one. See, if you differentiate dv with respect to, if you differentiate v with respect to y, okay, if you differentiate v with respect to y, you all should get 6x, okay. Are you all getting 6x over here? Yeah, just see what you all are getting. With respect to y, you will are going to get 6y over here. So this is not a, this is the wrong option, this is not a correct one. Next, you all should get 6x. Now with respect to y, you all have to differentiate. No, in this also you all are not getting, in this also you all are not getting if you differentiate with respect to y, okay. If you differentiate this with respect to y, are you all getting? In this we are getting, right, 6x. If you differentiate it with respect to y, so yes, so you all are getting. So which is the correct option? This is the correct option, okay, D1. This D is the correct option, this one, okay. Next, let us see this one, okay. So same way, du by, what it is, du by d, dou u by dou x, no, it is dou u by dou x, it is, sorry. So and dou v by dou y it is, okay. So in this also we need to do the same thing. So an analytic function f z is equal to u of xy plus I v of xy. If u is equal to xy, find v. So we need to find the value of v. So first we all have to differentiate u with respect to x and see what you all are going to get. So differentiate and see, you all are going to get y, right? So I am going to get y is equal to, sorry, what it is, dou y, right? So what I was getting here, y is equal to, now what I have to do is I have to differentiate v with respect to y and see if I should get y, okay, again. So if I differentiate this, okay, wait, this brackets are there way, okay. So now differentiate it with respect to, differentiate with respect to y and see, you all are getting. No, in this you all are not getting. Are you all getting? In this you will get minus 2y upon 2. So not possible, minus sign is coming. So here also it is not possible. So this is what, in this you all will get, right, 2y upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled, y will remain, right. So this is the correct option, okay. So this is the small trick to find out the correct options without wasting much of the time. I hope you all have understood this today's lecture of mine, and thanks for watching. In the next lecture, I will be giving you all more about complex analysis notes and explanation, and thanks for watching.